Guys, dramatic intro. Alright, so today I downloaded this cool game. Oh my god, I'm in love with it, and I just got a new dog. And you should go get it. It's called Line Play. I'll have it in the description down below. I don't know what I'm saying. It's been raining for a while. Anyways, it's flooding in some places. But, I forgot what I was going to say. Oh yeah, my name is Natalie, like Natalie, with a capital letter and just Natalie. Natalie. Not my last name, nothing, just Natalie. So, go friend me, and I'll try to accept your friend request. And yeah. So, it's just like a cool game. Like, you can do your house and stuff, and I can invite you over, and I can go to your house, and we can message each other. So, it's going to be really cool. But when you're it's like when you play online games, but it's like an app. It's an app online, and you can either be private where no one can see you, no one can text you, no one can invite you to anything, or you can be like non-private and I can text you and everything, and all you have to do is write your name, and you don't have to, all you have to do is write my name, and I don't have to write your name. But if you want to leave your name when you get it in this video only down below, then I'll see if I can write you and do a friend request. So, yeah, you can pick outfits, like, and it tells you the total, and it's just, it's just, yeah, so it's cool, and you have your own little diary that people can look at. If you put agree, people are allowed to look at your diary. I put things in my diary, and I have 2 friends only, so I'm trying to get more, and I'm trying to find my sister, but I can't find her because her name is Savannah. But if you get her, just comment down below in this video only. So yeah, leave all your information on that app on this video only, not any videos. If it's on another video, I probably won't see it. So I'm gonna try and friend you, and I think it's allowed on any phone, like device like LG, iPhones, So, yeah, and you can put a fake birthday. I put a fake one because I don't want to give too much information.
Whoa.
Oh, in this game, it's called Line Play, and I finally got a dog. But I have to wait 2 hours and 50-something minutes to see it. Unless I pay gems. Because I've been petting it for a while, so now it has to wait because I'm just into it. And then I invited one of my friends that I made up. I have 2. One is Mickey Mouse, and another one is the other girl. And I'm trying to invite her to my house, and I don't know if she's there yet, so. Yeah.
Great.
Sounds like a cool game.
Mm-hmm.
It is.
Yeah, wait too long, though.
No, it's only for, well, it's not that long for other people maybe, because I kept touching my dog.
But you can't keep touching your dog?
No, because I was petting it, and then I was trying to feed it. But then I wanted to keep petting it, so it didn't eat. But then I finally fed it. Memories. No, it's not only me. Martha has it. I told her to get it. I begged her to get it, so I can friend her and text her, because you can text on that. And you have your own diary, and you get to design like your own house. But you have to wait to get more rooms. I have 1 room, and in that 1 room, I have an oven, a table, a fireplace, another table, a couch, 2 chairs, a bed, and a bathtub. And they're all squeezing together. It's actually pretty big, but I'm embarrassed to invite people, but I already invited someone, so too bad. At least that's not my real house. And I don't have any walls. Like on the outside, you could see the walls, but in the inside, there's only one room that you can see. I guess you have to wait for levels. Well, no, I actually have 3 friends. There's this girl, like she's like Elsa, like cause she has like crystals and a lot of gems. Like she's a VIP, I guess, like rich. And I go to her house, and we water together. And then I said, oh, that reminds me of me and Valerie or Pamela or Camila. And yeah. Because usually out of them 3, we're the only ones that really talk a lot to each other. So yeah. It's raining outside. Blooper. What's the meaning of a blooper?
Tu madre.
Nice.